My office staff is really slacking. One is playing around, the other one is laying around, and I'm expecting some help here. I need to get to this open house. Come on, Percy. Get the bags ready, get the gift bags ready. Come on. There you go. Yep, there you go. Hi everyone! How is everybody today? I hope you're getting ready for a great weekend. My weekend is gonna be absolutely fabulous. I'm headed to a great mega open house that we're doing today at one of our listings in Wellington, Florida. It's an amazing home, totally awesome, and you must come. Take a look at it. It's 12865 Meadowbank Drive, Wellington, Florida. My name is Kate Smith with Kate Smith Group, Brosnan Bentley Realtors. My team and I have been helping sellers and buyers just like you, and we can't wait to help you as well. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you at my open house, 12865 Meadowbank Drive.